This is Johanna Hume with the Distance Education Department. If you watch the video on locating your virtual classroom, you're all set up on how to find Blackboard Collaborate, but you might still be unsure of how to navigate the virtual classroom itself. The good news is that Collaborate is a great software. It's user-friendly and super easy to get used to. It just takes knowing where to click. By the end of this video, you'll be able to join your virtual classes and identify and use the basic tools in Collaborate. If you're on your computer, go to Blackboard Collaborate, which many instructors have titled Virtual Meeting Room. Once there, you'll see a class available, or it will soon be available if your instructor creates classes just before class start time. Click on the class, which for us is called Class or Course Orientation, and then to the right, Join Session. It really is that simple, and don't worry. Whether you have your video open or not, no one can see you yet. The system will ask you if your audio is working, or it will once it gets started. Let it know if you need help or not, and then say yes, audio is working. And then let it know if you need help or not with the video. Your instructor may or may not require your video present, so for the purpose of this video, I'm remaining off camera. The first time you join a session, there's a Collaborate tutorial if you want more information. And the same about more information about Collaborate over here. Now, you're in the basic classroom screen. In the bottom toolbox, you can show your instructor that you're away or leaving the session. This is your status and settings, away, leaving the session, plus some emoticons. The mute button is important. You can toggle that on or off. And it's important if your instructor doesn't mute the entire class that you keep yourself muted until you're ready to talk. Here's the video button that you can toggle on or off as well. And another essential is raising your hand. When you're done commenting, click it again to lower your hand so your instructor doesn't think you still have a comment. To the right, click on the purple arrows to expand. This is where the class discussion will occur. It opens up this bubble, which is the chat box. That's the default. Sending a chat to everyone is another default. Simply click on Everyone and type and send. Everyone in the class can read that comment. If you want to send just a comment to your instructor or to a peer, specifically, you can find someone as an individual to chat with up here. Be cautious about that and slow. It's easy to make a mistake. This icon shows who is attending the class, and this function might be enabled if your instructor wants you to share files or other information with the class. Finally, this settings icon is available as well. And to close the box and get back to the full screen, just click on the purple X. You can always open it or close it if you want to get back to full screen. To the top left is another menu you probably won't need, but it's for more Collaborate help. Now you understand how to join your virtual classes and identify and use the basic tools in Blackboard Collaborate. This is true whether you're on your computer or using the Blackboard mobile app, since the tools and the virtual classroom act and look virtually the same, whichever device you happen to be using. So, best of luck in your virtual classroom, and thanks so much for watching.